Okay, hello everyone. I'm going to explain a little bit in the production of the sound R. Okay, we are going to start in the production of the sound. The tip of the tongue. This is the tip of the tongue. It is the tip of the tongue. The tip of the tongue is raised toward to the alveolar ridge. The alveolar ridge is that as alveolar ridge, and without touching it. Okay, let's start. uh, the tip of the tongue, without touching it, without touch the alveolar ridge, uh, uh, and the side of the tongue are pressed against to the upper back teeth. Okay, this is the side of the tongue. uh, 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 the side of the tongue, and the back teeth are that, uh, uh, the back of the teeth, the back teeth. Okay, okay, and a sound is produced is the airflow out over the tip of the tongue, uh, okay, and vocal cord vibrate. Okay, put your finger in your throat, and you feel the at the side of the tongue. uh, 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 press against the upper back teeth. Okay, like example, rape, rope, and rat. Okay, because we need airflow out the tip of the tongue. Okay, the tip of the tongue um, uh, is closed to the alveolar ridge, but no, without without touching it. Okay, without touching it. Okay, and so it is an example very clear. For example, when the dog it is the dog say okay, something like that. Okay, I enjoy your learn so much about the sound R. Okay, remember. Okay, remember the tip of the tongue. Okay, is raised toward the alveolar ridge without touching it. Uh, and the side of the tongue are pressed against the upper back teeth. Upper teeth. This as the sound is produced, the air flows out over the tip of the tongue. Uh, 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 and vocal cords vibrate. Okay, so thank you for this attention, and so I hope you learn more, find more information, and you can learn and brain practice. So important brain practice this vocal cord, this sound. So thank you, goodbye.